Hi all, today I am here to discuss about one of the important and interesting topic, nursing as a profession. So here we can see what is the meaning of nursing. As you know that nursing is a protector or provide the health and prevent from the infection or diseases or any injuries. Here we can see what is the word meaning of nursing. The word derived from the Latin word, the meaning is nutritious. Nutritious means to nourish, to cherish, to protect, to sustain. So the word of nurse, we can see what is the exact meaning of a nurse. The nurse, you know, N-U-R-S-E. So N stand for nobility or noble. U stand for usefulness or understand. R stand for responsibilities. And S stand for sympathy and simplicity. And E stand for efficiency or empathy. So in the old word, you got the idea of what is a nurse. So here I am going to discuss what is the nursing and nursing profession. So nowadays, many people are selecting the nursing as a profession. What do you mean by profession? Profession is a occupation. So nursing profession has such a qualities and functions. Do you want to become a good nurse? You must have some qualities as well as you have to follow some rules and some functions. So here we can discuss what are the characteristics of a professional nurse. The characteristics are nursing profession. There is a established knowledge and autonomy, code of ethics, and researcher and service oriented, research oriented, and professional organizations. These are the main characteristics of a professional nursing. So here we discuss about what is the main functions of a professional nurse. Do you want to become a good professional nurse? You should follow all those functions. So let's start what are the functions are there. The first one is the caregiver. A nurse become a good caregiver. What is caregiver? Those who are need to us for help, we are ready to give our care to the patient who are suffering in illness or injuries. The second one is the decision maker. Be a good decision maker. Which time, what time we can provide the care and which time the patient needed our support, and we can plan it and we can take our decision and can provide care for the patient. And third one is the good observer. The observation means when we are going to give a care to the patient, before that we should observe the patient needs. Sometimes the patient cannot able to explain their feelings by verbal. So by the behavior we have to understand what the patient come to say. So when keen observation is there, then we have to identify the patient problems. Then next one is a nurse should be a good manager. Be a manager. Manager means we have to manage all the healthcare setting. We can provide the good care to the patient. And good protector as well as good advocator. The good protector means always the patient need our support. So as a good protector, we should always support the patient and we have to fulfill their needs. The advocator means we should fulfill their and we have to teach them to what is the human rights and what are the rights of legal rights. And next is we should be good communicator. The communication is the essential element of a nursing profession. Be a good communicator and we can maintain good interpersonal relationship. Through this interpersonal relationship with the patient and patient family, we can able to understand the patient problems while we are communicating each others. And Next function is nurse be a good leader. Leadership quality is very important for a professional nurse. So if you have the leadership quality, we can achieve the goals. Our main goal is and recover the patient as soon as fast. It is our main leadership or main goal. So we should be fulfill our goals. And next is the nurse should be a good educator or teacher. The education means when the patient asking some doubt to you and regarding their procedure, regarding their treatment, we are able to give the answer. So we should be able to give the explanation as a teacher, as an educator. And also the next one is the nurse should be a researcher. The researcher means there is not stopping the profession at all. They are developing day by day. That means they are improving their self-care or patient care, and also they are improving their nursing practice day by day. So a nurse should be a researcher. So these are the functions of a nursing profession. So next we can discuss what are the qualities we want or we have to need for as a professional nurse. What are the qualities you must have? So let's discuss what are the qualities of a professional nurse. First one is the self-confidence. If you have become a good nurse, you must have self-confidence. I can do it, I can do my work. That confidence we need. The second one is honest, and we should honestly approach the patient. Humble or honest. Become humble and honest means that we should be approach the patient with a very empathetically mind. We should care as the human being and we are concerned their feelings. So be a honest and humble. The next is the loyal. Loyal means we have to one empathy. By the word meaning we are studied nurse, simplicity and empathy and efficiency. These are the qualities we have. We can clear and we can provide the health care to the patient who need our support or help. And next is the impartial. Impartial means there is no partiality with anyone. We have to treat everyone as the same. That is impartial is another quality of a nurse. And next is already in the function we have discussed the communication or good observation. These all will help us to identify the patient problems easily and we can provide the good health care to the patient. And also you should be a good and brilliant nurse. We have to communicate and observe the patient problems and we have to provide the very good treatment. So today we have discussed nursing as a profession, what are the qualities and what are the functions we should follow as a professional nurse. So be here, be a proud, be a nurse and introducing and also explain this all the functions and qualities. So be happy and enjoy the nursing profession and hope you all enjoy this video. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet the next video. Thank you.